Hello everyone. Welcome to today's session. Today we're going to learn the names of fruits in English. Are you ready? Let's start. Can you guess what this fruit is? Yes! This is an apple. Say it with me. Apple. It's red or green and sweet. Do you know what fruit this is? Banana. Repeat after me. Banana. It's long and yellow. Another fruit is orange. Say it with me. Orange. It's juicy and orange colored. Now let's continue with another delicious fruit. It is mango. Say it with me. Mango. Excellent. It's sweet and tropical. Now let's continue with pineapple. Say it with me. Pineapple. It's spiky and sweet. Now let's talk about grapes. Say it with me. Grapes. Grapes are small and juicy. Another fruit is strawberry. Say it with me. Strawberry. It's small and red. This is watermelon. Say it with me. Watermelon. It's big and refreshing. Now let's talk about papaya. Say it with me. Papaya. It's orange and tropical. Another delicious fruit is melon. Say it with me. Melon. It's sweet and green. Another fruit is tangerine. Say it with me. Tangerine. It's small and sweet. Now let's talk about grapefruit. Say it with me. Grapefruit. It's large and tangy. This fruit is blueberry. Say it with me. Blueberry. They're small and blue. Another fruit is raspberry. Say it with me. Raspberry. They're red and sweet. Now let's talk about another fruit. That is blackberry. Say it with me. Blackberry. They're dark and juicy. The name of this fruit is cherry. Say it with me. Cherry. It's small and red. This is coconut. Say it with me. Coconut. It's hairy and tropical. Now, this is kiwi. Say it with me. Kiwi. It's fuzzy and green inside. This is avocado. Say it with me. Avocado. It's creamy and green. The name of this fruit is passion fruit. Say it with me. Passion fruit. It's tangy and seeded. Another fruit is the peach. Say it with me. Peach. It's fuzzy and juicy. This fruit's name is pear. Say it with me. Pear. It's shaped like a bulb and sweet. Now let's talk about this fruit. Plum. Say it with me. Plum. It's small and purple. This is pomegranate. Say it with me. Pomegranate. It has red seeds. The next fruit is fig. Say it with me. Fig. It's soft and sweet. The next fruit is dragon fruit. Say it with me. Dragon fruit. It's white inside with black seeds. The next fruit is star fruit. Say it with me. Star fruit. It's star-shaped and tangy. Now, let's play a quick game. I'll show you a fruit. Can you say its name before I do? Apple. Great job. Banana. Great job. Orange. Great job. Mango. Great job. Pineapple. Great job. Grapes. Great job. Strawberry. Great job. Watermelon. Great job. Papaya. Great job. Melon. Great job. Tangerine. Great job. Grapefruit. Great job. Blueberry. Great job. Raspberry. Great job. Blackberry. Great job. Cherry. Great job. Coconut. Great job. Kiwi. Great job. Avocado. Great job. Passion fruit. Great job. Peach. Great job. Pear. Great job. Plum. Great job. Pomegranate. Great job. Fig. Great job. Dragon fruit. Great job. Star fruit. Great job. What's your favorite fruit? Describe your favorite fruit in the comments. Great job, everyone. You learned lots of fruits today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you next time.